Both guava and banana are highly nutritious fruits, but their health benefits differ based on their nutrient profiles and how they align with your dietary needs. Here's a comparison. 1. Nutrient breakdown: guava, calories, approximately 68 per 100 grams. Fiber, approximately 5.4 grams high. Vitamin C, extremely high, approximately 4x more than an orange. Potassium, approximately 417 milligrams. Antioxidants, high, especially lycopene, good for heart health and skin. Carbohydrates, approximately 14 grams. Sugar, approximately 9 grams. Banana. Calories, approximately 89 per 100 grams. Fiber, approximately 2.6 grams. Vitamin C, moderate, approximately 8.7 milligrams. Potassium, approximately 358 milligrams, good for muscle health. Carbohydrates, approximately 23 grams. Sugar, approximately 12 grams. 2. Health benefits: guava, high fiber content, supports digestion and weight management. Packed with antioxidants that may lower cancer risk. Boosts immunity due to high vitamin C levels. Low glycemic index G, making it better for blood sugar control. Banana, high in natural sugars and carbs, making it a quick energy source. Rich in potassium, which supports heart health and prevents cramps. Contains resistant starch in unripe bananas, good for gut health. Helps alleviate bloating due to its low sodium content. 3. Which is healthier? It depends on your goals. For weight loss, blood sugar control, or immunity, guava is better due to lower calories, high fiber, and vitamin C. For quick energy or muscle recovery, banana is ideal because of its higher carb and potassium content. Incorporating both into your diet can provide a balance of nutrients.